Hey guys, welcome back to Reservecraft One YouTube channel. So today we are going to play some Bed Wars and Hyperlands like we always do, but this time I'm going to defend all the way to my victory, and I'm not going to rush any near bases or anything. I'm just going to defend all the way throughout the game. So watch till the end to see what happened in the game. Don't skip. Also make sure to subscribe. It's completely free and you can always change your mind. See you in the video. Alright, so we are on Steampunk, a pretty good map for defending bases. So let's start off by getting 4 gold and 16 iron for defending with wood and wool. Okay, I'm still having my bad gold, so I couldn't stream. That's why I'm using Mobizen screen recorder, not promoting, to record custom games instead of stream games. Let's go and okay, let's go buy some blocks like wood planks and some wool. Okay, let's go. We got our wood and wood planks, so let's defend it. This bed is incomplete. What does it mean? Is this a bug or something? Why can't I place blocks? Oh, okay, I can place blocks there, but why can't I place blocks here? Okay, that's a bit weird. Okay. Okay, so I think I figured it out. I think it's one of those bugs in this server, I guess, because I couldn't place blocks in that specific place, and I can place blocks in any other places except that place. Let's just buy some tools and weapons, so if someone rushes to us, we can kill them very easily. I need a lot of iron to buy sandstone. Like I need a 24 iron. Okay, let's wait in our generator and get 24 iron. I think I'll just skip this part and I will buy it. Okay, there we go. We got our 24 iron. We bought 32 sandstone. I hope this will be enough. Okay. We're placing it so fast. Okay, this is going to take a lot of time because I just need to defend all the way to my victory. Okay, let's just place these remaining blocks. Okay, we still got 7 remaining. I don't actually need that. Let's just diagonal bridge to diamonds, I guess. Let's just go to diamonds. Okay, never mind, I almost fell there. Okay, this is a very slow process. How far am I to the diamonds? Oh my god, it's so far. I'm getting rid of this. Don't mind that. I'm just having a bad cold. Okay, what was that? Okay, never mind. Let's just jump over and see how many diamonds we got. 4 blasts, 4 diamonds. Okay, that's pretty good. We can buy protection, and some people might buy a trap or something, or just buy sharpness with their 4 diamonds. But I'll buy generator upgrade and protection because I want a lot of resources and I want it quicker, so I might need a generator upgrade. So let's just get generator upgrade now, I guess. Okay, we are getting generator upgrade. Let's go. We got super fast iron generator. Man, okay, I skipped to the part where I finish all my defense. So you can see it's made of wood, wool, sandstone, limestone, glass, and some more in wood. I mean, what is it called? Oh my god, I forgot its name. Oh, it's called sandstone. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it's made up of a lot of things. So nobody would try to break in except they have a lot of TNT. So let's just go to a base, I guess. All the teams except red are still alive, so I might need to get a diamond pickaxe because some people might have obsidian at this point. Okay, let's just wait here and get 20 gold so we can get it. Okay, green was slain by aqua. Okay, let's go. Aqua's playing really awesome. Okay, let's go 20. Let's buy ourselves a diamond pickaxe. Oh, I can buy an enchanted one, but that costs a hell lot, so I better not buy it. And let's just go and buy some more wool. Okay. Okay, green team bed was destroyed. Okay, let's go. It means the remaining person is aqua. Okay, green team has been eliminated. Let's go. It means aqua and me are the only people in the game. I might need some enchantments before taking on Aquas because Aqua might be pretty strong since they all went to mid when I didn't. So they might have iron armor and oh, I mean diamond armor and diamond swords maybe. So that would be a pretty dangerous fight for me. Uh, okay, spawn it in. Okay, there we go. Eight diamonds. Let's go and buy ourselves some enchantments and traps. Look at this pyramid of Giza, bro. It's so huge and fat. Okay, we got sharpness. Let's buy mining fatigue, and let's buy. It's a trap since we have one diamond left. Okay, let's go. Let's buy TNT because I am afraid that Aqua might have something like obsidian or a big defense like me. Okay, it's time to rush to Aqua, I guess. Okay, let's rush to Aqua by diamond side because if I go through emerald side he might see me very visibly, so I don't want that. So let's just go this way. Okay, whenever I'm streaming I keep falling, but whenever I'm recording privately I don't fall. Okay, this took a lot of time to edit and make a thumbnail for this because I'm using mobile device and not a PC or something like that. So make sure to follow me on Twitch. Also, oh, he's there with diamond armor. Also subscribe to me on YouTube. If you subscribe to me, I will win this game. Okay, it's magic. If you subscribe and see, and I will win this match. No cap. Okay, let's go. Okay. We are so close. Let's see the gap. Okay, there we go, and let's jump over there. Okay, he's coming. Let's put on this. Oh my god, not now. Blindness and slowness right now. Okay, he fell. Okay, let's break this. Okay, and break this. Let's go. Okay, I hope we can kill him. Oh my god, he's comboing me. Oh my god, that guy's spamming so hard. Oh my god, that guy killed me so badly right there. Okay, we might need to get some resources, I guess, because that guy is so stacked with diamond enchanted armor. Okay, we got a lot of things in our mid. Okay, let's buy ourselves some silver fish and an iron sword, and I hope we can take him out very easily with this because those oh wait, I said fireball instead of full. Never mind that. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking right now. So where should I go now? Maybe get some enchantments, I guess. I hope I will have enough diamonds to get protection max level. Wait, I didn't even do protection 2, so I'm gonna just get protection 2, I guess. I hope I have enough diamonds. I don't want to count because I don't want him to come over right now. He's so near. No, he's far now. I don't even know what's going on. How many is it? 6. Okay, that's okay. We can get this, and we can still buy heal pool. Do I just camp here for him, or I'm just leave this place? We have a lot of silverfish. Silverfish are pretty OP than fireballs, so I will just buy silverfishes, and I guess I'll just go by my side bridge which I built to the diamond, and there's a bridge to Aqua space. Where is Aqua going to? Aqua doesn't seem to be on his base. Where is he then? Where is Aqua? Oh my god. Let's make this jump. Okay, let's go. Oh, Travis, oh, he fell. Never mind. Okay, we won this match. Let's go. If you sub, that's why I won this match. So thank you so much for watching. It means a lot if you watched until this point. Also, there's a little something to talk in the next. Okay, so you made it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks a lot for watching so long until this time. Make sure to follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter. All links are in one link and it's in the description. Please do, it's completely free. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and make sure to like if you like this video, please like. If you don't like, you can dislike. Yeah, it means I can understand what people like and not like. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.